Hello friends, welcome to Snigdha's Kingdom. Today I am going to make Sabudana's khichri and I will quickly show you the ingredients. To make this we require very less amount of ingredients. So first is cumin seed, grated peanuts, one roughly chopped onion. This is purely exceptional, you can use it, or if you don't want then you can skip it also. 2 green chilies, 1 red chili, 2 boiled potato I have cut into this square cubes. This is the sabudana which I have soaked for 5 hours. Black pepper powder, peanuts, whole peanuts, and salt according to taste. And one ingredient is missing here, that is curry leaves, which I am currently not having it. So if you are having it, do use it because it enhances the taste of the overall khichri. Okay, so let's begin the recipe. Whatever ingredients available, and it will surely give you a energy filled breakfast to start your day with. Okay, so let's begin. So we will first take sabudana, this big size. For this dish only big size is recommended, small size won't go well with this dish and they will stick with each other, so bigger one. So first I will start with washing the sabudana and wash away the extra starch. So I will nicely wash them and drain the water. Friends, this is the level of water which you should be using it, or else these pearls will stick to one another and they will become more sticky. So let me show you the water. All the danas are just dipped, so that much quantity of water only you should use to soak them for 5 hours. So I will leave them, I will show you the rest. So friends, I have on the gas and I have taken around 2 tablespoons of oil, which I will spread it, and I'll keep the flame in medium and we'll wait for the oil to get heat up, and then I will start with the cumin seed. So friends, my oil has become hot. Now I will start with the cumin seeds. And the red chili powder, red chili. Next I will give the onions. Onions is exceptional. You can use it if you want or skip it if you don't like it. And I will fry it for some time. Then I will give the potatoes, the boiled potatoes. I won't deep fry the onions, to keep it shallow fry. Okay, so now I will give the potatoes. I am using here 2 potatoes. I have cut it into these small cubes. So friends, it has been around 1.5 minutes. Now I will give the soaked sabudana. And the peanuts, grinded peanuts. I have given all the peanuts and the sabudana, and slowly I will give it a stir, and you can see the sabudanas are not sticking together. It looks lovely. I will slightly increase the flame. Yes. Now I will give the peanuts, the whole peanuts which I am going to use. Black pepper powder. And little more amount of salt. And I will cook it for another 3 minutes. Friends, it has been 1 minute. I'll be giving a pinch of red chili powder. This is also exceptional. You can skip it if you don't use dried chilies. You can go only with the green chilies. So friends, it has been 3 minutes and my khichri is ready, and you can see so lovely it looks. The pearls have not stick together, and it is quite dry. So guys, if you like my cooking, my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and enjoy your breakfast and have a kickstart day. Okay, take care. Bye bye.